this is vessel MVOLT, over.
Shore station, we read you loud and clear, over.
MVOLT, calling shore station, do you copy, over.
Roger, Roger. MBOLT, we have you on radar standby for weather update, over.
Shore station, this is MVOLT, requesting permission to dock at Pagadian Port, over.
MBOLT, you are cleared to dock at Pagadian Port, berth 5.
Shore station, please confirm weather condition and berth availability, Pagadian Port, over.
Weather at Pagadian Port is clear sky, wind speed 5 knots from the northern east, Bisoto, Panta 5 degrees Celsius, over.
This is vessel MVOLT, requesting permission to dock, over.
Roger, Roger. Vessel MBOLT, please spell your message using word code.
Understood. Message begins. Tango Hotel India Sierra Eco Lima. Victor Eco Sierra Eco Lima Eco Sierra Papa Eco Charlie Tango India Oscar November Sierra Tango Oscar Charlie Kilo, over.
Receive. Your message is, this is Vessel OLT, requesting permission, dock, over. Permission guaranteed, welcome to port.
Copy that. Shore station MVOLT, proceeding to dock at Pagadian Port, out.
Safe journey MBOLT, shore station, out. Your message is, this is
Understood. Message begins. Tango Hotel India Sierra.
Your message is, this is